are you ready for the last box? Let's open the last box. Let's go. Start opening. Yay! The last box. Alright. And it has this bag. And this is the cover. Sorry. This is the cover. And inside, which you probably already seen in my first video. And the bag. Let's start opening the packets. Cut, cut, cut. This is organic macaroni box. Let's open the next packet. I think I know what this is. This is macaroni. You put it inside, I'll put it in after. Come out. This is extra virgin olive oil. Label. And it has Rilakkuma cap, like the grape juice, if you saw that video. If you didn't, please watch that video. Next packet. Open, open, open. Yay! Smoked salmon. It looks like it's in a real bag. I'll put that down there. Here is pepper. This is the yellow pepper. There's two kinds of peppers in here. And then olives with Rilakkuma on it. And of course another pepper. These are the two peppers, so that's what I meant, like there's a yellow pepper and a different color. There's also a green. So that's what's in this packet. This was like the biggest one, I think. That was for all of them, all of my packets. So that was the end of, my opening of the Rilakkuma Natural Market. But that's still okay. I'll probably do more videos later on. And I want to get out a special shout out to my friend, Super LPS TV. The reason why I'm giving a special shout out to her is because that she is one of my good friends at school, and also she gave a special shout out to me in her video. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel and comment down below if you have this set or if you have one of the packets. Bye!